there's a few more materials for this fly than we've had on the other flies we tied during fly tying after dark. But it's still pretty simple to tie. And we're going to go with the same style hook, the Gamakatsu T10-6H, but this time in a size 4. So the tools you need for the flash fly are the same as earlier. Just need a pair of scissors, a whip finish tool, and a bobbin with thread. We're going to use Danville 210 denier in pink. All right, for the tail of this fly, we're going to use this pink Flashabou. So I'll get this started. Actually, and we're also going to put quite a bit of weight on this. This is 0.025 lead wire. We'll start the thread here, just behind the eye. And stopped it just in front of the bar. So again, for the tail, this pink Flashabou, probably have about 30 strands that I'm going to cut off. And the tail's just going to be one hook shank's length here. Working with these whole strands of Flashabou is probably the most challenging part of this fly. So I'm gonna just wet my fingers to get control of this, and I'm gonna bring my thread forward and wrap this thread right up the shank, securing all of this Flashabou to the top of the hook. There we go. Now I can do some better wraps here. Okay, next we have this pink diamond braid, be the body of this fly. Okay, so I'm just going to tie this in. I have a long piece just because I don't want to come up short during this demo. About an 8-inch piece here. If you're wondering why I'm wrapping like this, is because I got about 8 inches of flash sticking out the other end. I'm trying to avoid. I'm just going to wrap this forward. we're going to do a purple calf's tail. I'm just going to take a small chunk of this. So you can see, just a small piece. I'm going to tie it in so the tips are just long enough to reach the bend in the hook. Trim up some of those fibers. Now I got this extra flash that I'm going to fold back over this purple calf's tail and do some wraps to secure that so it's flowing backwards or towards the back. And I'm going to trim it the same length as the tail. Okay, so the last material we're going to use to finish this fly up is just some pink saddle hackle. I'm going to trim the tips off here, and or just the tip, because I want the long fibers towards the bottom of the feather. Tie this in. On top of the Flashabou. Just do a few turns, folding the fibers back. We are going to use the thread to, when we're done here, when we tie this off, we're going to use the thread to kind of push these fibers back. Just did 2.5 turns there. Now I'm going to stroke these fibers back and start building up a head. These thread wraps will keep these fibers flowing back. I'm going to finish this off with three wrap whip finish. You can place each turn strategically to build up that head. And there you have it, the flash fly.